to teach you how to juggle.
Excellent. Yeah, good job.
It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. The ability to try begins with you, always. First, I'm going to teach you how to make your own 3 juggling balls. You will need 9 birthday party balloons, a funnel, an old dry soda bottle, some sellotape, wood scissors, and some dry peas or beans. You can use sand or rice too, but beans are the best. First, put the funnel inside the plastic bottle. Start to fill the soda bottle and make sure you put just the right amount. I fill mine up about 2 centimeters. This is perfect for the size I want. Next, I choose a balloon and fit it over the opening of the bottle and turn the bottle upside down, and all the beans fall into the balloon. Sometimes I have to shake the bottle to get all of the beans into the balloon. It's not always easy, but you can do it. When I have the beans inside now, it is time to cut the very end of the balloon off with a pair of scissors. Cut some sellotape, bend the leftover and end over the ball, but don't stretch it. Tape the end of the balloon nicely over so now the beans cannot fall out. But you are not yet done. Now take another balloon and cut off the stem at the bottom just before at the edge of the round part. This next part is hard. You want to take your ball and cover it with the second balloon. You do this by stretching the cut balloon open very wide and place the ball inside. Be sure to put the sellotape end in first. Now you have a very secure beanbag balloon ball. The third balloon, you will do the same thing as the second balloon. This makes it very strong. Trim the end very nicely. Be sure that the third balloon is the color you want for your ball. I like this ball. They were the ones I used to learn with, and I still juggle them every day. You are really going to enjoy juggling the ones you made for yourself. Now you have to make 2 more. Do the same thing over and over. When you are all done, clean up your area. My name is Joseph and I live here in Kenya, and I would like to teach you how to juggle. First, we start with one ball. You need to be stand upright and your draw must be here on top of your head. And they must be perfect. And don't go for it like this. Just put your hands upright. So do it like 20 times. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once you finish there, you take the second ball. Second, make sure your draws are over your head and they are perfect. So the second draw must be perfect like the first one. Like when this one is there, is when this one counts. When this one is up, this one is count. And they must be perfect. There is a mistake you can do, and here I'm going to show you how to correct them. You can draw one high and another one low, and you can draw like this. That is not the way to do it. So let's do it up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The left hand goes up and the right one up. Don't draw up then down. All they go up. Once you get this, do it again 20 times. And don't forget your draw up here on your head. 20. Don't worry about to catch because what matters is that your draws are perfect. So you have to draw perfect. But the others draw like one. Not like that, you can't do that. Or like 1, 2, 3. The correct, you're supposed to do it over your head and nice draw. The first draw should be like the second draw. After finish there, you go to take the third ball. And here it is. 2 and 3 are the same, but you add 1. It's like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Let's do it up to 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then there we finish.
Okay, start juggling.